Data analysis. What is data analysis? It's a defined process of cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information for business decision making. The purpose of data analysis is to extract useful information from data and taking the decision based upon that data analysis. A simple example of data analysis is whenever we take any decision in our day-to-day life is by thinking about what happened last time or what will happen by choosing that particular decision. This is nothing but analyzing our past or future and making decisions based on it. For that, we gather memories of our past or dreams of our future, so that is nothing but data analysis. Now, same thing analysis does for business purposes is called data analysis. Phases of data analysis. Data analysis process consists of the following phases that are iterative in nature. And there is 5 phases. The first one is data requirement specification is based on a question or an experiment based on the requirements of those directing the analysis. The data necessary as inputs to the analysis is identified, for example, population of people, specific variables regarding a population, for example, age and income, may be specified and obtained. Data may be numerical or Data collection is the process of gathering information on targeted variables identified as data requirements. The data obtained may not be structured and may contain irrelevant information. The collected data is required to be subjected to data processing and data cleaning. Data processing. The data that is collected must be processed or organized for analysis. This includes structuring the data as required for the relevant analysis tools. For example, the data might have to be placed into rows and columns in a table within a spreadsheet or statistical application. A data model might have to be created. Data cleaning is a processed and organized data, may be incomplete, contain duplicates, or contain errors. Data clean is a process of preventing and correcting these errors. There are several types depending on the type of data. For example, while cleaning the financial data, certain totals might be compared against reliable published numbers or defined threshold. Likewise, quantitative data methods can be used for outlier detection that would be subsequently excluded in analysis.
And finally, communication. This is the stage of sharing the previous results with the teamwork and formatting this information in business language and report it to the manager to help him to take the appropriate decision for the business.
Types of data analysis. There are 5 types of data analysis. First one is the descriptive analysis. The second one is the diagnostic. Third one is the predictive. Fourth is the prescriptive. And fifth or last one is the cognitive. So, let's take each separately in details. Firstly, descriptive analysis. It's a general insight on if everything is working properly in the business or not, with no root reason. Secondly, diagnostic analysis. It explains the root reason behind the outcome of the descriptive analysis. Thirdly, predictive analysis. By utilizing different statistical and machine learning algorithms to provide suggestions and answers to questions that are related to what is predicted to happen in future. Fourth, prescriptive analysis. It's specialized in helping managers to make the best decision to eliminate future mistakes and to give them advices on possible outputs and what should they do. And it also maximizes their key business matrices. And finally, the cognitive analysis. It's a various combination of technologies such as the artificial intelligence technology, machine learning algorithm, deep learning, and many more. It also applies human brain-like to perform some certain tasks. And as anything else, even data analysis has its advantages and disadvantages. So Let's first get started with its advantages. 1. It helps in showing up relevant advertisers on websites like online shopping web pages, and that's based on users' performance and is known by users' purchasing behavior and history data. 2. It reduces banking risk by identifying probable frauds that may steal info based on historic data analysis. And 3. Security agencies also uses it for monitoring purposes based on information collected by a large number of sensors. And now, let's talk about its disadvantages. Number 1, this may breach the customer's private information, such as online transactions, purchases, and subscriptions are visible to parent companies. The variety of data analysis cost from an application to another, features that support each kind. And lastly, it's hard to select the right data analytics tool, and that's because of the fact that it requires knowledge for the tool, their accuracy in analyzing data.
Without any doubt, every person feels the impact of the revolution in high-tech in every field in everyday life. And that is why the Ministry of Communications and IT launched a free scholarship in cooperation with the Udacity platform to help young people to develop their skills and help them enter the field of freelance. This scholarship is presented in many fields, such as data analysis, digital cloud expert, and digital marketing, etc. And its objectives are the following. Firstly, increasing the capacity of professional freelancers in remote tech work. Secondly, maximizing Egypt's ICT to engaging globally. And finally, upskilling about 100,000 Egyptians via Udacity Online.